Hi, I'm Katie with the Frame Group. Today we're cycling your Hobart 4732A stainless steel meat grinder. We recommend you read the manual in its entirety before powering up the machine. The voltage is currently set to 3-phase, 40 volts.